An education without a heart is no education at all. As we start our school year, this academic 2024-2025, we start it with upward learning, a learning that starts from the heart, a learning that is technology-laden, and a learning that is centered on our children. Kaya po we welcome all of you to St. Ignatius School of Camp Aguinaldo. Paramihin natin ang mag-aaral ito. Palaguin natin ang eskwela ito. At pagandahin natin ang curriculum na meron tayo. Ito ay Cathedral School ng Military Ordinariate of the Philippines. Dapat ito ang the best school natin.